How to add a payment method on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a payment method on your iPhone. So to do that, first of all, go to settings. Now simply tap on your name, which is right over here. Now once you've done that, you'll have to tap on the option payment and shipping. After that, you will be redirected to this page where it will load the payments and shipping option. So simply be patient and wait for the option. Now once you've done that, you will be able to choose one of these two payment methods right over here. So you can either choose your credit or debit card, or if you want, you can also choose your PayPal. So for now, we'll simply enter our credit card or our debit card. So you will be able to enter the details of your Visa card, MasterCard, Discover card, or your American Express card. Now whichever card you have, simply enter it over here. So first of all, you'll have to enter the number of your card. So let me simply paste the number over here. Now you'll have to enter the expiry date of your card, so simply enter the month and the year. Now once you've added your payment method, simply tap on the option done, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and you'll have successfully added a payment method on your iPhone. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.